Good day, everybody. This is Luis Rodriguez here at City World Toyota. Today, guys, we're gonna speak about the all-new 2017 Toyota Avalon XLE trim level. This car here, guys, is a 3.5 front-wheel drive vehicle. It has horsepower of 268. The vehicle itself carries a combined MPG of 21 city, 30 highway. Combining them both, you get 24. As far as inside go, guys, the 2017 Avalon is equipped with this beautiful beige leather interior, guys, power driver and passenger side seating. The car itself has options like heated driver and passenger as well. It has internal options like eco mode, sport mode, cruise control, Bluetooth, and backup camera, all standard as well. When we come alongside here, guys, this front portion here that you guys do see is this Toyota Safety Sense camera. It does include 4 advanced options. The first option is, guys, lane departure. That's if the car is driving itself, and if you guys get off your lane, the car itself will try to put you back on your correct lane. The second option the car does have, guys, is auto high beam lights. Auto high beam lights is important because if you're driving in like a dark tunnel alleyway, your high beams turn on and turn off by themselves as well. The third option the car has is cruise control radar. Cruise control radar is if you're driving the car, right? And if the car in front of you is going 80, you pop your car right here, you press this down, pop it in, cruise control. Your car will adjust to the traffic speed. The fourth option the car has, guys, is pre-collision system. I love it. That's the option if you're driving around, you're cruising on the highway. If the car in front of you stops short, your car will see that through its eye right here and actually tell you guys, be careful. All right, guys, when it comes to the 2017 Avalon's rear seating, guys, it does come equipped with this back beautiful beige leather. What you guys see here, guys, is the back air ventilations with it actually has an outlet for a 12-volt as well. This here, guys, you guys see is your armrest, and it's interesting because you can actually put 2 cups here, but you actually have access to your trunk from the inside. All right, folks, 2017 Avalon, guys, is based upon trunk space and cargo space as well, right? When we come back here to this 2017 trunk space here, guys, it does come with your all-weather back trunks mat. Lift this up here, guys, is where your spare tire will be. And what you guys see here, all your tools needed. This right here, guys, that you see is a wheel lock. Important option as well. It comes with the vehicle. And when we come alongside here, guys, this is in case of you fall inside your trunk, get stuck in there, you pull this up, you'll be outside, no problem. The 2017 Avalon XLE comes equipped with 17 all-season tires right here. These are the beautiful rims right here, your 17-inch. It comes with its chrome, with its actually dark gray inserts. What you guys do see here is wheel locks, and very important as well. And this right here is your removable Toyota emblem. Toyota, guys, comes with 3 years, 36,000 miles bumper-to-bumper warranty. It also comes with 5 years, 60,000 miles engine and transmission. Upon that, guys, there's this thing called Toyota Care. Toyota Care is 2 years, 25,000 miles of free oil change, tire rotation, inspections, and car washes whenever your vehicle visits our service department. The vehicle itself also comes with 1 year of free roadside assistance. That's if you guys get stuck, stranded, anywhere else, Toyota will go get you guys. All right, guys, so this is gonna sum up our day here on our 2017 Avalon XLE, guys. Name is Luis Rodriguez here at City World. Our address is 3333 Boston Road. Remember, it's better to buy in the Bronx. Take care. Bye.